Welcome to the Advantech Innovation Hub, a cutting-edge facility dedicated to showcasing smart technology solutions across various industries. It highlights Advantech's advancements in IoT, AI, and automation, offering a space for collaboration and hands-on experience with innovative technologies. Today we're showing you a conversational voice AI drive-thru solution with our partner SodaClick. This solution uses voice recognition and AI technology to automate customer orders with speed, precision, and a personal touch. Let's take a look at how one customer's breakfast order is handled by AI, creating a faster and smarter experience.
Hello mate, welcome to Oliver's. Ollie at your service. What'll it be today?
Hello, do you have breakfast?
G'day. Yes, we do have breakfast options. What can I get for you?
The bacon and egg bun looks great.
Would you like to make that a meal with a coffee for just $3 extra?
Yes, please.
What coffee would you like with that?
Do you have a latte?
Sure do. Would you like any modifications to your latte?
No, thank you.
SodaClick's voice AI isn't just taking orders, it's actively helping businesses grow. By offering personalized upsell suggestions, like adding a coffee to your meal, businesses can increase average order value by up to 20%.
Is your order correct on the screen?
Yes, looks great, but do you also have cookies?
Would you like to add a cranberry and almond cookie to your order?
Yes, please.
Alright, adding the cranberry and almond cookie. Is there anything else you need?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Is your order correct on the screen?
Looks perfect.
Thank you for your order. That'll be $19.60. Please drive up to the next window for payment.
And there you have it, streamlined operations and a friendly, efficient interaction, all powered by SodaClick's conversational voice AI. As you noticed, Ollie has an Australian personality, but SodaClick's conversational voice AI is available in 96 languages, with unique tailored personalities to match regional cultures and customer preferences, increasing speed and basket size.
As you can see here, this is the Advantech USC360H, which would typically be placed in the kitchen. With SodaClick's AI order taker, the order is sent directly to the kitchen, enabling staff to begin preparation immediately. This feature ensures no mistakes are made, as a transcript between the customer and AI is recorded for easy review by staff, and streamlines operations, enhances accuracy and speed of service, and the dashboard also provides valuable data analytics to the business.